Hello friends, good evening. Today we are going to discuss about today's editorial paper. The topic is in reverse gear, and here the draft EIA notification needs wider consultation and progressive changes. Here the full form of EIA is Environmental Impact Assessment. So here the draft means notifications coming from the environmental part need some wider consultation. Means here like we can consultation means discussion, like discussion or negotiation, and discussion, negotiation, or discussion or meeting. So let us take an example for consultation. I could spend most of my hours by consulating with my teachers about the subject. So this is one example, and other example we can take as she spent hours in consultation with her lawyers. So the draft of EIA notification needs wider consultation and progressive changes. So the notifications coming from the environmental sides need some more discussion, they have to discuss more about it and need to get some more changes better, like we need to develop in environment. And next one is the Union Ministry of Environment has been in a spotlight on more than one occasion during the pandemic. See, the Union Minister of the Environment, the Union Minister in the Environment, there is a spotlight on the they'll actually focus more on the environment, and they had observed one occasion during the pandemic. Pandemic means we can say something situation, like for example now present it is the corona pandemic. So we can say that pandemic means something situation. So the Union Minister mostly focus on the some situation that work to push through retrograde environmental discussions in the atmosphere general paralysis. Here the complicated word is retrograde. Retrograde means directed backwards, reverse, or regressive. Directed backwards, reverse means actually reverse means coming back. See, we'll reverse our videos or something, right, while pausing or anything. So retrograde means directed backwards or reverse. Let us take an example for this. He said it would be a retrograde step to remove single parent benefits. General paralysis means the situations were going normal in this. So the Union Ministry of the Environment was everything fine, and they observed the normal pandemic, so that everything was going normal. And next one is in April, Environmental Minister Kwash Jewardar used a virtual conference to ensure that the National Board of Wildlife Standing Committee stamped approval on several projects. The Environmental Minister, his name is Prakash Javadekar. So he conducted a conference with the other ministers. With all ministers, they have to discuss at a time, right, to do anything. He kept a conference about this, and mainly about the National Board for the Wildlife Committee. They said that Prakash Javadekar gave the approval for the Wildlife Standing Committee for its several projects, so that the Wildlife Committee can continue any type of projects there. And stamped here, we use the word stamped, which means bring down heavily on the ground, imprint or print. Bring down heavily on the ground, forcefully pulling down. We can say an example as send a stamped self-addressed envelope. Send a stamp self-addressed envelope means something bringing down, or printing. Printing means we print papers for something reasons, right? So this is the sentence. And next one is with the serious implications for the conversation. He now wants to hurriedly make a fundamental change to process of project approvals by introducing new environmental impact assessment. Again I'm saying a full form of EIA, that is environmental impact assessment. They wanted to do the work immediately, they don't want to lag the work, right? Again I'm repeating, he now wants to hurriedly make a fundamental change to process of project approvals. Means like they want to continue more, like we should not stop anything in this time, and to process of approvals by introducing a new environmental impact assessment notification. Like we have to send some new environmental notification so that like we could get every information from there. And now in draft it seeks to replace the existing EIA notification of 2006. Now if we observe, actually we have to replace the existing EIA. Actually the last notification is in 2006. Now we have to continue it, like we have to replace it. Like proposed here, proposed meaning is put forward to suggest or advance or to intended. And let us take an example for it. The money will be used the fund of companies proposed executions. And now the proposed provisions show the ministry has gone to great lengths to reduce or even remove the public participation and by extension independent expert opinion. From the processes of granting environmental clearances, public reporting of the violations may also not be taken cognizance. If anyone objected us, like if they are working in the politics, someone will object us for doing some things, right? But like we have to not stop for any situations, like we have to continue. And here cognizance means knowledge or awareness or consciousness. Like we have to have some knowledge or we have to have consciousness about the thing what we are talking. Like we have to ourselves, we have to have clarity like what we are talking, so that we can explain to others if they were wrong, right? The guest took cognizance of the snide remark. And now the process of granting environmental clearances, public reporting of violations may also not be taken cognizance. So while there can be no argument about the importance of development projects, so they decided that there should be no arguments about the importance of development projects. Like it should be gone peacefully. And it has resorted of supervisory. It has resorted of supervisory in classify activity for exemptions. Section 26 provides a list of projects that would not attract environmental clearance. We have sections, right? In that section 26 had provided a list of projects that would not actually attract environmental clearance and permissions, including coal mining and seismic surveys from the oil, methane and some shale gas on same lands. And sections 14 provides exemption for these and some other projects from public constellation. Constellation means, actually we had discussed, that is like discussing with others, and also limiting the scope of public involvement to districts concerned in the case of national parks and sanctuaries while pipeline infrastructure will pass. Like they decided that there should be no interference of the public. If public involved, see some people, like 50% of the people think positively about what they were doing and 50% of people they think negative. So what they decided is there should be no public interference. They wanted to do it very peacefully and need to complete fast. And even this should be happening in the national parks and sanctuaries even. Roads and highways get liberal consciousness. Further, it retains the clause that if a public agency or authority considers the local situation not conducive to participation by citizens, the public consultation need not include a public hearing. So they don't need to hear any public hearing, and they don't need any suggestions from the public. They had a good idea and they wanted to continue it because that was agreed by everyone and that was good to everyone. So they doesn't include any public hearing in this. And retains, the word retain means keep or hold on to. He managed to retain his dignity throughout the performance. Like he managed like he was performing an activity, he has managed everything while doing. Like next one is conductive, making a certain situation or outcome likely. Outcome likely means we already know, right? A quiet room is more conducive atmosphere for studying. Like a quiet room, actually while we are studying we need a very pleasant and quiet room for doing any work or anything. Muddied means cover or fill with mud, make hard to understand. Here, in these two meanings, we have to consider one meaning, that is make hard to understand. Like sometimes people can't understand us, right? Like they think that we were doing negative, like in point of public, not in point of politics. Like they think that they were not positive, like they would be negative. So the negative impact may come from the both sides, but they need not to leave it. An example for this is industrial activity has muddied the river. So like industrial activities, like because of industries, actually we could get many like the rivers near to the industries may get spoiled very fast because the chemicals released may spoil the river. And next one is, in spite of far-reaching nature of its proposed actions, the center has displayed unseemly haste to get them in the place, and Mr. Javadekar has not added credibility to trying to shut down public responses to the draft early. So Javadekar had announced to his, when he conducted the conference, so he said that there should be no disturbances from the public. We need to do it very fast and peacefully. I don't need any public hearing. So he said in that way. And it took a Delhi High Court order to extend the deadline in August 11. So they took the permission from the Supreme High Court. So the Supreme High Court had gave the they extended the deadline up to August 11. Before that they have to complete it. And the exercise has been further muddied by the mysterious blocking of some activist websites calling for the EIA proposal to be dropped and demanding a new approach towards conserving natural resources for the future generations. And here the word extraction, which means removal or taking out or origin of someone's family ancestry. Let us take an example for this. The extraction of minerals have damaged the countryside. See, for example, in Africa, like if we dig not now, actually in the old time, if we dig ancient times, if we dig the land in the Africa, we could get the gold rocks. So the people extracted that gold. So it was passed through Africa, and there the gold was very precious because when they dig, they could get the gold. So like this the situation will be. And next one is, clearly the center's attempts and weakening the they are weakening it. So massacre means slaughter, butcher, murder or kill. Here we have the word massacre, which means slaughter, butcher or murder or kill. Let us take an example for it. The massacre was crime against humanity. Means the massacre was crime against humanity means actually humanity is a very good quality, but if he did a massacre, means if he did a murder, that would be a very bad crime, right? And next one is, clearly the center's attempts at weakening checks and balances are not new. A study of coal mining clearances show that 4,302 hectares of forest were diverted during 2014 to 18. So a study of coal mining clearances showed that 4,302 hectares of forest were diverted. So like there would be a study of coal, right? We dig mines, and at that time it had said that like 4,302 hectares of forest actually was diverted in the year 2014 to 2018. And next one is, COVID-19 has powerfully demonstrated the value of nature for well-being of lost of forest and captured the wildlife, bringing virus reservoirs closer to humans and found destroy their health. So now this is the COVID-19. Like the COVID-19 has totally demonstrated the value of the nature and the well-being. Now human being actually got to know the value of nature, like after the entrance of COVID-19. While there might be a case for some changes, much proposed to EIA system cap only make things worse and should not be passed through. And here, military, it means like military force whose members are trained but often have other jobs. Let us take an example for this. The government called out the militia to help cope with the rioting. And next word is implication. Implication means suggestion or innuendo or involved in. Let us take an example for this. The incident has the serious security implications. This incident has the serious security for any implications, like for any suggestion or anything. And extraditing, hand over a person to the jurisdiction or deport. He will be extradited to Arizona and from Florida. And next word is tenacious, very weak or slight, negligible, thin. Here we will consider the word thin. The police have found a tenuous connection between the two robberies. So he found a very negligible connection between the two robbers. Thank you.